Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering the exact column names and expected data types from your source. Once done, open a fresh workbook and add a sheet named Schema. You will create columns labeled Field, Type, Nullable, Default, and Notes. That structure enforces consistency. Start entering one field per row, choosing type like text, number, date, or Boolean. Make sure to mark required fields as no under nullable, and add default values when applicable to prevent blank errors later. Next, you formalize types and constraints so Excel enforces them. Create drop-down lists via data validation for type and nullable to avoid typos. This makes downstream parsing reliable. Define drop-down options, text, integer, decimal, date, Boolean, and choose yes/no for nullable. Use conditional formatting to highlight rows missing defaults for non-nullable fields. Once configured, copy validation to new rows and lock the schema sheet to prevent accidental edits while you build mappings or import routines. To finish, export the schema sheet as CSV or create named ranges so other sheets or scripts can reference it. Then run a small sample import and use filters to capture validation errors. This confirms your type and nullable rules work. If you encounter mismatches, adjust types or add conversion rules and make sure defaults are appropriate. If problems persist, enable stricter data validation and retest. A single corrected field often clears many downstream errors and stabilizes your whole schema design.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.